Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix Google Maps arrow not pointing in the right direction. Quick one. Come to your settings. Once you come to your settings, go ahead and look for app management. Then go ahead and click on app management. Then tap on app list. Now when you tap on app list, it may take a few seconds to finish uploading, but rest assured it will then finish uploading. And then once it's done loading, go ahead and search for Google Maps. So come to search bar, then search for Maps, then tap on Maps, then tap on permission, and now make sure that Google Maps has all permission. You can see mine over here. It has permission to the camera, to contacts, microphone, everything. Then also for the location, I'll give it permission, and it has permission to the location. Now once that is set, you can then go ahead and tap on the storage and cache, then click on clear storage and then clear cache. Then after that, you'll have solved your problem. Thanks for watching guys, we shall meet.